Hello, welcome to Diana Beth's kitchen. Today we're making pizza.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief.
Oh, wow.
So I'll take it on. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crowd. You hear me loud.
I'm 7 years old.
You're not 7. You say you are 8.
I'm 7 years old.
Every night got a team I've been tied to.
We got all the ingredients here. We got some frozen pizza crust. We got some ham. We got some bacon. We got some salami. We got 4 types of cheeses. And we got onions, red bell peppers, and green bell peppers.
I just wish it had no shame.
And because we don't have tomato paste, we're using ketchup. Yeah.
To see if I succeed, to see if I believe they're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me. I swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop, there ain't no time to fall. Try to live, get it up, you got one life to pop. Thinking big, never small, cause you gotta want it all. When you finally get that call, you get ready, take it on. Need a hand out, I already stand out. Starting to advance now, ready to expand now.
Gonna sprinkle bacon here,
By the grand now,
there, everywhere.
To see if I succeed, to see if I believe they're looking
It's like garden escapes.
Alright.
Best of me.
Are you done?
Best of me now. Best
Take
of
your
me.
bacon plate and put it back
Best of me now.
where the others are.
Best of me now. Best of me.
Are you excited? Do you like what you made?
Yeah.
What does it remind you of? Perfection.
Is that and then
We're gonna make 2 more pizzas with what I have.
Are you? Alright then.
cake.
You're making a cake. Alright then, make a cake. Go on. What do you put first?
I'll put candles.
You put candles on this?
I put candles on a pizza. And I make my birthday. And I blow the candles. And I eat my pizza like that, like a cake.
Wow. Alright.
We need pink icing for a pizza. For that pizza.
And make it to 2.
There's some here. You're gonna put some paste over there? Good job.
Oh, I like the pizza. The pizza, yummy.
Alright, just put the brush down. Can I have the brush? And you go onto your cheese. Can you add some cheese on it? Go on. Next, what's next, Nina?
And they're blueberries.
What's next? What do you put?
And what's this?
Bacon, baby.
Bacon? What's this?
Ham, baby.
Is it ham? We have ham.
Yes.
Bacon. We have bacon and we have this. Can I put it on?
Yes, you can.
Can I put bacon?
Yes, you can.
Yeah. This. Yeah. This. Pizza.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
And
But I've known you
his
too long,
friend
hurts to
was
watch your
Danny.
blue eyes fade to gray.
Really?
You fade
His
away.
brother was Danny. He turned into a dragon.
He did?
His belly was big and he talked.
Can you put bacon on the other one as well?
And that. And you stand on me. Mom, stand on me.
I'm making a video for you, baby.
You are too high.
I never really asked to be brought into this place.
And,
You wanna love me?
and this is for the other one. And this is for the one.
Are you gonna spread it around or you're just gonna keep it on top of the... I think you should spread it around.
I am ready.
It's not ready, Mom.
I already spread it. It doesn't look happy. Mom, I already finished.
Okay, so what next?
And right here. And ham. And it's next to finish, Mom.
But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
And this is what. And this is what my mouth is doing. What's that smell? Pizza. Pizza.
Pizza.
And this is my mouth. And what's that?
Are you done now?
Now it's done.
Okay, so what next?
They're running out for ingredients.
This.
Okay, let's make it pretty. Go on.
And this
And perfect.
no, not yours.
And perfect.
Don't forget this one. It's gotta go everywhere.
She doesn't like it. If anyone borrows her things, she doesn't like it if anyone borrows her things.
You guys are look the same.
Fake a smile until I look away.
Go on, baby. We need to go faster.
Hurts to watch your
So, sorry about
Put it. It's not gonna be the same. It's got it already caught up. So put it. The pizza is getting tired. Pizza's crying. Oh, sorry, pizza. She's coming. Hurry up. He's looking for its toppings. He's so hungry. Go on. Good job.
the pizza is
Lindíssimo. Boa, querida. Whoa, that looks amazing. Yes, girl.
It looks perfect.
It's
It
amazing.
looks. That's the perfect pizza. Talking from here. That's the pizza I'm talking about.
We don't know about the other pizza. Pizza more. some toppings over there. So there's a lot of space there. Yeah. Right there in the middle. No, that one.
What does the pizza taste like?
We're going to find out. Let me help you put it over here.
After this?
Yeah. Good job, Mama. Bravo. Are you done? So you take everything to the sink?
I love it.
Yes. It's gonna go in the oven.
Bravo. Pizza.
Needs to be washed. Good job.
Going to the oven.
Mine is already cooked. Well, mine is already cooked.
Oh my God, it's beautiful.
No, it's perfect.
Are you excited?
Yeah. Stay. The pizza's ready.
Right here.
Yummy.
No.
What?
It's my place.
Is it good?
Yes. It's not good.
Is it better than Pizza Hut?
Yes.
No.
So no more Pizza Hut. What's this?
The pizza.
Who made it?
May.
You did? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you ready to eat it?
Yeah. Mom, I like a chicken.
You are?
I'm a silly chicken.
You are?
I'm a silly chicken, and then you are. I'm a silly chicken again.
You gonna eat it?
I'm not a girl. I'm a chicken. Chicken can eat pizza.
Oh, okay, so I'll have it then. Thank you.
I want chicken can eat pizza. Chicken can eat a pizza.
Alright, say bye.
Guys,
See you next time.
see you next time.
You must be made for me. Patient is everything. In and out, arguing, trifling, difficult, back more.